WhatsApp Desktop, how to fix WhatsApp Desktop not launching. If WhatsApp Desktop won't launch on your computer, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. 1. Log out and back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of WhatsApp and then logging back in can resolve the issue. 2. Reset WhatsApp Desktop. If the app is malfunctioning, resetting it to its default settings might help. This can be done through the Windows settings if you've downloaded it from the Microsoft Store. 3. Close WhatsApp using Task Manager. There might be a background service of WhatsApp that's preventing the app from launching properly. You can end this task using Task Manager. 4. Check network connection. Ensure that your computer and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as this can sometimes resolve connection issues. 5. Update WhatsApp Desktop. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp Desktop installed. You can update it through the Microsoft Store. 6. Give WhatsApp the right permissions. Verify that WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to run in the background and sync messages. 7. Run in compatibility mode. If you are using Windows, try running WhatsApp Desktop in compatibility mode for an earlier version of Windows. 8. Repair application. Use the repair option in the apps and features settings to fix any corrupted files. 9. Use WhatsApp Web. As an alternative, you can use WhatsApp Web on your browser if you are unable to get WhatsApp Desktop to work. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it may be helpful to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance.